My insurance company was robbing me. Seriously. It felt like I was paying a second mortgage, a staggering $480 every single month. That's almost $6,000 a year just for my car, home, and renter's insurance. It was insane, and I was sick of it. But instead of just complaining, I decided to fight back, using AI. In just 48 hours, I used 5 secret AI hacks to save an unbelievable $1,920. And today, I'm going to show you every single step so you can do it too. I'm literally giving you the prompts to copy and paste so you can start saving thousands. No tricks, no gimmicks, just insane savings. You know that feeling? You open a bill and your stomach just plummets. Last month, I got that financial gut punch. My insurance bill had crept up again to a crazy $480 a month. That wasn't just a number, that was my vacation fund, my savings account, everything getting siphoned away. So I did what you're supposed to do. I called them. It was the worst. It was like being a pinball, bounced from one person to another for what felt like forever. I hung up with $0 saved and a huge chunk of my day wasted. It felt impossible, like trying to punch a cloud. I was about to give up, but then I saw some random person on Reddit talking about using AI to lower their bills. A crazy idea sparked. If AI can beat the world's best gamers at StarCraft, why couldn't it help me fight an insurance giant? This was no longer just about money, this was a challenge. First, let's be honest, shopping for new insurance sucks. You fill out the same form 100 times on a dozen websites. It's like having to reintroduce yourself at a party over and over. Nobody wants that. So for Hack 1, I did an AI quote Blitz. Think of it like a super-powered personal shopper for insurance. I went to an AI comparison site called Insurify and gave it this exact prompt. You can copy this. Act like a knowledgeable insurance broker with direct access to quotes from 30 different carriers. My goal is to find the absolute lowest rates for a 35-year-old driver living in Ohio. I need full coverage, and my liability limits are 100/300ths. Please present the most competitive options. And in literally 11 seconds, faster than you can tie your shoes, it scanned 28 different companies and found me a new policy for just $87 a month. That was $43 cheaper than what I was paying. In the first 10 minutes of this challenge, I had already saved $516 for the year. Boom! It felt like finding a giant pile of cash. This wasn't just a tool, it was my secret weapon. Okay, saving over $500 was awesome, but I knew there was more. For Hack 2, I used AI to convince the insurance company I was the safest person on Earth. See, insurance companies sort you into buckets. If you're in a high-risk bucket, you pay more. My goal was to use AI to write myself a hall pass to get into their teacher's pet bucket. I went to ChatGPT and gave it this challenge. Write me a compelling 200-word letter addressed to an insurance underwriter. The letter should highlight my 5 safest driving characteristics, detailing specific examples like my low-mileage commute and defensive driving course completion. Additionally, emphasize 2 recent home upgrades that significantly reduce risk, such as a new roof and a state-of-the-art security system. Finally, subtly weave in my consistent gym attendance and excellent 802 credit score, positioning me as a financially responsible and health-conscious individual. And it crafted a masterpiece! It was like hiring a top-dollar lawyer to argue my case for free. It perfectly highlighted my new roof, my security system, my amazing 802 credit score, everything. I just emailed it to my agent. Less than 24 hours later, I get an email. They moved me to a preferred tier and knocked another 7% off my home policy. That's another $28 a month gone. A total of $336 for the year. Our new savings total is now $852. We are crushing this. All right, Hack 3 is a little creepy, not gonna lie. But the savings are massive. It's called usage-based insurance. Think of it like a good student discount for driving. Instead of being graded on the same curve as everyone else, this app grades you personally. I downloaded an app called Root, and for 2 straight weeks it became my digital driving instructor, watching every move I made. I drove like my grandma was in the passenger seat holding a giant, expensive cake. I was super careful. No fast acceleration, no hard brakes, no late-night driving. Every single turn was being judged. After the 14-day test, Root gave me an almost perfect score, a 93 out of 100. Because it proved I was a safe driver, they offered me a new rate of just $59 a month. That saved me another $54 every single month, which is $648 a year. Our new savings total is a whopping $1,500. This is crazy. This next hack is wild because it saved me money without me doing anything. Did you know we all pay more for insurance because of fraud? It's like going to dinner with a group, and one person orders the most expensive thing on the menu, but everyone agrees to split the bill. The fraudsters are ordering lobster, and we're stuck paying for it. But insurance companies are now using AI that acts like a super detective. It scans millions of claims like Sherlock Holmes on steroids, sniffing out all the fakes. Because my company is catching more bad guys, they're saving money. And they passed a little of that savings to me as a rate stabilization credit. My bill dropped by another $8 a month. It might not sound like much, but that's another $96 a year that I get to keep. So our grand total is now $1,596. It's not the biggest jump, but free money is free money. And now for the final boss, the AI negotiation bot. Arguing on the phone with a company can feel like playing chess against a pigeon. It's just going to knock the pieces over and make a mess. So for this last hack, I sent in a robot to play the game for me. I went on my insurance company's website and started a chat with their AI bot. I recorded a 15-minute conversation with it, and this is what I said. Hello, I'm actively considering bundling my auto coverage with my existing home and renter's policies, but I need a 10% loyalty discount to make it worth my while to stay with Lemonade for all my policies. I quote, we've been a loyal customer for X years, and I'm looking for competitive pricing for a comprehensive bundle. The AI is a cold, hard calculator. It doesn't get tired or frustrated. It just looked at the data, saw I was a good customer, crunched the numbers, and instantly gave me a $17 credit every single month. No arguing, no waiting on hold. Just pure AI power! That's another $204 a year, which brought our total to $1,800. But I'm not done! Because I switched my car insurance mid-policy, my old company had to send me a refund check for $120. So when you add everything together, the grand total savings is an unbelievable $1,920. We did it! Pause this video right now. Go to the description, copy the prompt from Hack 1, and try it. It takes less than 1 minute. Then come back here and comment how much money you saved. I want to see who saves the most. So there you have it. We took a ridiculous $480 a month bill and chopped it all the way down to just $320. And we did it all with AI. We broke it down and won. AI comparison tools acted as our personal shopper to find the cheapest rates. AI risk rewriting was our personal lawyer, arguing our case for a massive discount. Drive tracking apps became our private driving instructor, rewarding us for being safe. AI fraud detection is the system's super detective, making it cheaper for everyone. And an AI negotiation bot was our robotic negotiator, getting us a discount without the headache. That $1,920 I saved is not going back to some giant corporation. It's going into my vacation fund. This is what it's all about. Taking back your money by using technology. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe so you don't miss the next money-saving challenge, and share this with a friend who is getting ripped off. Now go get your money back and let me know how much you saved. Hey, listen again. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos about how AI dive into insurance sector.